What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I'm out here in South France in Antibes. Have a look at this. And behind me here is Nice. I got birds flying above. It's pretty cool. Have a look right here. That's an old rusted out ring that they used to tie the big boats up to at the mouth of the harbor. Pretty cool. Completely empty. Nice clear water. Makes me want to jump in and go for a swim. Have a look down here at all the fish in the water. Outside the river. Days ago I came by the bridge here, and there was the swan that's out in the water right now. It's having babies, and her babies are right down here in that little patch right there. She's in the water right now. Maybe her babies will be out soon. Going out to the Mediterranean Sea right here, but there's a sign right here: COVID-19 confinement access not allowed. I just want to say this is what it's like when you're in confinement and you decide to step outside the box and you have a look. Look how beautiful it is right now. All of Nice over there. Look at the color of the water of the Mediterranean. So beautiful right now. The teals, the greens, the blues, and nobody along the whole beach. Absolutely beautiful. Nobody on the train. Hey guys, I just want to say thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm out here in Antibes. It's a beautiful place. Mediterranean Sea. Gotta come check it out one time.